Hey guys, we've got an exciting drop from Sneak Energy today. We've got Melon Blast and we've got Rainbow Burst. Team Pink versus Green. Exciting times, guys. You need to pick a side. Let's get into it. First things first, let's tell you how to get some money off your Sneak order or get some awesome elite merch. Just make sure you use content creator Moody at checkout. Get yourself an account set up. That's worth £1 to you with 100 points, or you can save them up for some awesome elite merch. There is some more elite merch in the pipeline, so you might want to hold on to your points if you've already got all the shakers and all the tubs already. I have one sneaky box here from Sneak Energy. One pair of safety scissors. We need to pick a side, chat. We need to pick a side. Is it going to be pink or green? I think I'm going green, if I'm honest. But here we are. We have... Oh, wait a minute. We're not ready, We're not ready. Let's change this up. We're going to go team green first. Here we go. A bit of green for you. Right, let's go on it. Team green the way forward, I think. So what have we got? We got some Melon Blast. First things first. There we go. I'm excited to try this. I love melons. I absolutely adore melons. Branding on point as usual from Sneak. Let's have a look at the ingredients quickly. Yes, I'm old. Shut up. Just wondering if there was a particular type of melon there. But I can't see anything. But then again, I am blind, as you can see. Right, so let's open this up. Loving the tub. You notice, guys, most of the time with Sneak, let me just show you quickly. Most of their drops, they have the chrome, not all, but most. They have the chrome on the top and the bottom. And you got this distinctive lid. But with the special drops, they always do something special. Look at that, nice, awesome green lid blended in. Right, let's open it up anyway, because I need to try it. I can't wait any longer. Then we can check out the really awesome shaker as well. Team Pink versus Green, and as you'd expect, it's green. Shock horror. Right, let's get the shaker out. Have a look at that. Here's the Team Pink versus Green shaker. I'm just gonna say that is sexy as fuck. Just gonna say it. I'm liking it. I love it. Love it. Right. I forgot saying water. I keep getting told off for being powder first. I've gone water first, alright, viewers? I was told I was wrong because I kept having powder first all the time. Apparently I was in the wrong camp. I'm in the right camp now, alright? So there we go, right, let's have a scoop of this. Make sure you do it up properly. The amount of times I splurted it all over myself. Right, two-handed shake. At least 30 seconds, chat. Wait, I'm not live streaming right now. Keep saying chat. So used to it. It's a very light green colour. In the tub, if you can see. Right, let's try this out. I'm excited. Oh my god, that is seriously good. You can taste the melon, but it's got a really nice tang to it at the end as well. It's got like a very slight sour taste at the end. Oh, that is so good. Like melon sweets. Oh god, I'm kind of sad it's gonna be a limited drop. Already, I feel this is gonna be my favorites. Bear me with me while I finish this. Damn, that was good. Time to move on. Wait. It's Team Pink time. Next out of the box, we have Rainbow Burst. Again, Sneak, an awesome tub. Lovely pink lid blended into the yellow at the bottom. I think I'm definitely going to be I'm not tried this yet, obviously, but I think I'm going to be Team Green. I don't think I'm going to switch my allegiance to that Melon Blast. Oh my god, so good. The powder inside, see that? It's got like a pinkish tinge to it, as you'd expect. Now, rumor has it that this tastes like Skittles. We're going to find out, but we need to confirm these rumors. Oh no, I've done it. I did powder first. I'm sorry. Don't hate me. I did powder first, alright? I'm sorry. Oh, then, as you'd expect, it's pink. It's pink. And it's even more pink with the shaker as well, obviously. Right, let's give it a one-handed shake this time. Let's switch it up, since we went powder first. Here we go. Rainbow Burst. Down the hatch. It's Skittles confirmed. It's like liquid Skittles, I'd say. Liquid sweets. It literally is like It is liquid Skittles, I think. It's like opening a pack of Skittles, whacking them in a blender, and then just... That wouldn't work though, would it? No. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. When you open a pack of Skittles, pop it in your hand, knock them back. It's about as close as I can fathom the flavour. That is good. That is damn good. But, however, I'm definitely Team Green. 100%. What team are you? Tell me. Let me know in the comments, guys. Let me know what team you're going to be. Pink versus green. I'm definitely going Team Green. The Melon Blast. Superb. Superb. Not only is there 2 fabulous flavours dropping this Friday at 8 AM GMT, there's also an awesome new hoodie, this one here, and an awesome new Sneak Bunny toy, and this one here. Look at that. They're so cool. I need that bunny in my life. And being Black Friday, there's some deals for you going on for this limited time drop. But there's £5 off Melon Blast in the UK. It's $39.95. In the US, it's $40. In the EU, it's €45.95. And with Rainbow Burst, the same again, £5 off. In the UK, $39.95. $40 again in the US, and in the EU, it is €45.95. You also get the pink versus green shaker with it free with every tub, every order, or it's £10 on its own, $9.99 or €10. The toy is £30, $35 or €35. And the hoodie, the awesome hoodie right here, is £55, $65 or €60.95. Another awesome thing about this as well, you can get a single tub for $39.95 with any shaker £5 off. So if you've got missing any shakers in your collection, grab them. Or you can get both flavours, Melon Blast and Rainbow Burst, 2 tubs for £60, $60 or €60. Happy days. What a deal. Don't forget to use code Moody in the creator code box at the checkouts. Gets you 100 elite points, gets you money off your orders, or you can get some awesome elite merch. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.